Hey Joel, it's Heidi over at Taylor & Sons. This is the 14 High Country that you had some interest in. I'm going to show you the exterior and the interior condition. I apologize for the wet rain, and pardon me if I slip on the ice, but I'll just go around the exterior. And it is in really good shape. The black is nice. There are some slight brush scratches. I don't think you can see those, but they're not deep at all. These are things that can be rubbed out very easily or buffed out. But the bed and the tailgate, all in really good shape. There is a few little scratches there. I don't know if you can see those. But again, probably buff those out, make them look 90% better. This one here looks like it may not be buffed out. I don't know if you can see that there, but it looks like it may have been touched up. But you really got to be looking for it to see it. This is by far the worst spot on the truck. Right here, this has been touched up. But again, it's something you really got to look for. It does have a bed liner, which is nice, and these bed rail caps are in good shape, so you know that he wasn't loading anything into the back or running anything over the side of the bed rail, which is good. Coming along, passenger doors, again, very small brush mark there on the passenger door, and I really think that a good wax, potentially a couple of those, could be buffed out. I don't know if you can see that there, but that one is also a little brush scratch. Not deep at all. None of them are deep except for the one on the back that's touched up. No rock chips on the hood, which is nice. The windshield's in good shape. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, so the driver's seat is in good shape. There's no cracks in the leather. I mean, there is a little bit of wear. You can see there's a little bit of wear of sliding in and out right there, but it's not torn at all. And then the carpeting, so you can kind of see the wear on that rug or the mat, but the carpet is all in really good shape. No stains or anything like that. Just trying to get a better angle. Check out the back. Back seats are in great shape. I know that the gentleman that owned this truck was a little bit older, so no children in the back or anything like that. And there are some all-weather mats in here too, so that's nice, along with the carpeted mats. We'll check out the passenger side just to make sure. A lot of traffic, sorry. Alright. And again, no stains or anything like that. No funny smells in here either. And then here's the passenger seat. No wear hardly at all on this seat. And no holes. Center console is in good shape too. No marks or wear on that. And the dash is in good shape too. All the buttons are there and no wear on that. There is a little bit of wear on the steering wheel. I don't know if you can see that there, but otherwise that's really the only spot on there that's showing any